So there were gunshots, you're saying?
Yeah, like a lot.
A lot, and then where were they coming from?
A car.
A car. Did it belong to someone else?
Possibly a black Chevy Traverse.
I really hate to do this.
In early 2022, the peace of Palm Coast and Bunnell was shattered. What began as a routine patrol for Flagler County deputies quickly transformed into a race against time.
So there were gunshots, you're saying?
Yeah, like a lot.
A lot, and then where were they coming from?
A car.
A car. So you think someone just left and took him to the hospital?
Okay, I've seen him. I've seen his dad get in the car.
112, check with Advent. Neighbor across the street saying someone just left with a male subject and they're en route to Advent right now.
No, he's not here. My dad and him on the way to the hospital. Yes, but my brother's going to get a shot.
I got that.
Hold on a second. Hey.
Guys.
What's going on, sir?
I'm related.
Okay, to this house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm related.
Okay, someone called you?
What happened?
Well, they're saying some shots were fired in the area and someone's on their way to the hospital.
Somebody got shot?
Yes, sir. So we're trying to figure that out right now.
Don't know. All you know is he got shot when whoever was riding by.
Yeah, but where's it?
No, it was not here. Somebody from around here was just driving by and I think shot.
We're still trying to figure out a crime scene or anything like that.
He was
They said this what didn't happen here.
I'm trying to get on.
He goes standing there.
Charlie, trying to get on the radio. We don't need a channel.
Yeah.
I can't stop telling me that.
Calm down. You don't know who shot?
We don't have a vehicle description yet. We're trying to calm him down to get information.
I don't see any shell casings.
There's a purse right here. Did it belong to someone else? Is there any gunshots, sir?
Yeah, man. That shit happened right there. They took
Right here.
the boy to the hospital, man. It was
Okay.
drive-by.
Can you pull your car out of the area real quick?
While law enforcement scrambled to secure the scene, a father's world was falling apart.
Trying to find a crime scene. There's a piece of a round over here. I just saw it. Hold on. There it is right here.
Possibly a black Chevy Traverse.
See that?
Yes.
All right.
Hey, man, if y'all, what's my call it? That they left out that way. So I don't know if y'all got cameras out there. So I don't know what. I ain't get it. I want to say they went right, but they left out that way by 30 minutes.
So it happened right here in the front of this house.
It's been hours. I mean, they're gonna.
Yeah. I don't see any blood or. Hey, sir, if you could stick to the sidewalk for me. Stop walking right there. Okay.
That's a shame. Yeah, that's right there.
See anything else? Well, I don't see. I just saw that one round.
Are you the one who dropped off your son? Okay. So can you give us any background information on exactly what happened?
I was in the house
Okay.
and I heard a bunch of gunshots.
Okay.
My son come in the house and he was headed back out. So he going back out and hear them gunshots, boy?
Mm-hmm.
Then he go out and bah, 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 bah. So I jump up. Then my son got hit. That's all I know.
Okay. Who all was at the house with you?
Me and my girls.
And then your son? Okay.
My son was outside. He came in the house.
Right.
He went back out the house.
Did he ever say anything on who was outside or any information at all?
No.
Okay. Do you have any idea on who it may have been? Did you see anything?
I haven't even got a chance to talk to my son, man. I just told y'all.
I understand. I'm just asking. We're just trying to get as much information as
I'm
possible.
frustrated.
I
I'm
understand.
a straight up dude. I just told you all I know. I know nothing else. I wish I did.
Okay. All right.
Nothing else.
Okay. I'll tell you what. All right. Do me a favor. We're hanging outside. Okay. They're inside. I don't really have any updated information for you right this second, but as soon as we do, I'll let you know. Okay. How old is he?
16.
He's 16. Okay.
I can't talk to the people right there at the front.
I'll see if someone can talk. Do we have a doctor or any medical staff that can talk to Dad?
I can let them know that he's here.
Okay. So you're gonna see a doctor or someone can come out and talk to you. Okay.
Man was sitting in the house, putting on red with their house up. Boy come in the house, I was gunshots, so he coming out. They shooting at us, man. He headed back to the door. Why you going back out? He go back out. Anyway, man. So when I heard, go. I jumped up. I went to the door. I heard him nephew all around. Go ahead. I told him before he left out the house, man, them straight bullets don't know nobody, man. The boy just shooting wild. They ain't aiming. Good luck he got hit in the hip. I was glad he went through, too. I hope he did. He'll be all right, man. No bad. Ain't much blood everywhere, you know.
Who all was in the house with you? You, your daughters, and your son?
My daughter right there, my 6-year-old. My brother got her son was outside. In the house, went back outside. When we came in the house, they were shooting. I asked them, why are you going back out there? And they shooting out there. Go out there anyway.
Is mom in the picture?
Mom in Arizona.
In Arizona? Okay.
Leading this investigation, who brought him here? You did, your dad, Kevin. Can you tell me what happened when you got, were you there?
I was in the house. I got a 7-year-old putting a house together.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
I heard shooting outside. My son come in the house. Wasn't he shooting out there? Yeah, Daddy, I just shoot. Turn around and go back out the house. Why you going out man out there shooting? See, kids like him think, they want to see stuff like that.
We're talking about Noah.
Yeah.
Okay.
They want to see stuff like that. Tell them that he's going to stand up and get hit. Walk in there.
Okay, so when he came in and told you about it, he hadn't been hit.
No.
So he went back out and got hit.
Yeah.
Okay. And you heard the shooting prior to that?
Yeah, he was shooting that night. Then he coming out.
Did you see the car or the people?
I'm sitting in the house. Okay. With my little daughter, dogs together. Me, my daughter right here, my daughter right there, and my other daughter stay here. My brother got her right now. He's on the brain out here. My son come in the house. They out there hanging out. I'm in the house.
Yeah.
He come in the house. Before he come out, he come in the house, come back out. You ever got up? They was still shooting. You ever got that one? You heard all that damn shooting right there?
Yeah.
Ain't that damn? Go. Then I when I heard the shit get real crazy. Now jump up.
Did it sound like a handgun or an automatic?
Sound like all kind of shit. This like this. So when I heard that, I jump up and run to the door. Then I heard my nephew holler, I know a hit.
Did you see anything when you ran out besides your nephew? No. Okay. Did anybody else see anything? Was there anybody else there? No? Okay. I really hate to do this. This is never any good part of my job. Noah did not make it.
Noah Smith and Kemarian Hall were just teenagers, students at Flagler Palm Coast High School. They weren't the targets of this feud. They were the collateral damage of a hit gone wrong. The investigation led by Sheriff Rick Staley eventually rounded up those responsible. Devandre Bernard Williams, Tyrese Patterson, Stephen Monroe, and Terrell Sampson.
I don't even know if you're right now. Okay, just let me know. Thank you.
Got anything? Find anything as to why did?
While Terrell Sampson, the intended target, survived and eventually took a plea deal of 12 years, the shooters faced the full weight of Florida's justice system.
Was it personal or gang related or what?
I have no idea. That isn't really giving us anything.
Okay.
You guys are welcome to stand here until they clear out.
Yeah, we'll stand by. I don't, just in case anyone else
I'm
scrolls
gonna go
up.
hang out with Noah. Sergeant Gross coming out. CSI is already on their way, and they're going to notify homicide. I already notified them that they might be going back to the scene.
Yeah.
They found it all the way from MLK to Bowie. So, and I told them there might be more.
Do we check surrounding, just make sure there isn't any other additional?
You guys are short stretched as it is, so I think Gamera just said he's holding as much as he can.
Hey, you guys see that black thing over there on the ground? Can you wasn't there earlier.
This thing?
My dog uses the bathroom over there.
What wasn't there?
Whatever that
This
black thing is on the ground.
over there?
Yeah, that wasn't there earlier. Is it a shirt or can you see it or no?
Yeah, we'll go take a peek.
Yeah.
They have anything that's gonna eat us back there?
There's a couple dogs.
I mean, do they reach?
Okay.
Is this one house?
None of them can. Yeah, that's
None of them can
that's
reach
one
there?
House.
That's one house.
They can't reach you. Them ones are far. This one you gotta worry about, but he can't go far. He can't go come farther than the fence.
Okay.
I did y'all's transfers on your buybacks.
Yes.
Y'all,
yes.
Oh yeah. What up?
Yeah. Come on, y'all.
You trying to get me to spend money?
Yeah. Hey, look.
You almost got us.
But no,
You almost got
no,
it.
bro. This is that wasn't there.
We're just like the second time something like this
Happened.
That happened within 12 fucking months.
Oh, this is like the third or fourth time in this whole area.
This whole area. Yeah, this
Within
is
the past like 2-3 months. Yeah.
And we're just home. We live.
Shit's crazy.
Who's the guy living there? That's sitting up front.
Someone sent up front.
Yeah, the older guy. Yeah.
Nah, he doesn't fucking live there.
He doesn't live there?
No.
Oh, he's trying to keep us away from.
Yeah, he does not. He doesn't want us going anywhere.
Somebody there. Yeah. Fuck that shit. They trying to keep it a secret.
So who lives
shit
here?
like that? As far as I know, a guy named Al.
He's got like long twists or dreads, whatever you want to call it. You think he went all the way through, or he went in this back?
I don't know. He was back here somewhere.
I heard a door. I heard a door somewhere.
That door's open.
Yeah, there's this one right here is open barely.
Oh shit! Smell that fucking ski mask. Listen, that bitch
That's
is
why
so,
we're letting it.
My
We're letting
cousin
it sit.
passed away, but one of my other cousins, I guess he tried to break the fucking banner shop or something. That bitch followed him from all the way back there. He stopped back here to talk to us and went somewhere else. But that bitch, the dog followed him all the way from banner shop.
Yeah.
That's a badass dog.
They're pretty good. Yeah, they're pretty good.
That's a badass dog. But yeah, man, they keep doing these coward ass shit, bro. And that's why I had to go get my gun license. But it's uncalled for, man. Look, that kid had nothing to do with that shit.
Hey, Ghost, try Seminole first.
Yeah, do Seminole.
Do Alert 1 first.
Yeah. Noah died?
Yes.
No.
They just caught.
No. So Noah died.
It's gone.
Oh, shit.
In early 2025, the gavel finally fell. Stephen Monroe, found guilty and sentenced to life in prison for the killing of Noah Smith. Devandre Bernard Williams, sentenced to 55 years for each life taken, served concurrently. 55 years for a rivalry that cost everything. Justice was served, but as Sheriff Staley noted, the silence in the homes of these victims remains.